Hi, it's TJ, and today I'm bringing you the latest device from Skincare with a Conscious brand, MAYSAMA, the MAYSAMA Urchin. This innovative home-use beauty device combines sonic cleansing with 4 powerful skin rejuvenation modalities: EMS, LED light therapy, heat and vibration massage. It's basically like having your own handheld spa treatment in the comfort of your home. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future skincare videos. Now we've got that out of the way, let's go back to the magic of the MAYSAMA Urchin. When you receive your MAYSAMA Urchin, the first thing you'll notice is its super sleek, easy to hold design. It comes pre-charged so you can start using it right out of the box, and when it's time to recharge, simply connect the USB cable to a laptop or phone charger, pop it into its holder, and let it power up for its next use. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the features of the MAYSAMA Urchin, and let's start with the sonic cleansing function. The sonic cleansing function utilises a gentle vibrating silicone brush head to provide deep cleansing and a pampering massage with up to 6,000 vibrations per minute. So you take your silicone brush head and you just attach it to the probe and it just pops on, and it's ready to use. The sonic cleansing function is able to effectively unclog pores, remove dirt and impurities, and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But the MAYSAMA Urchin doesn't stop at cleansing. It also offers a multi-benefit probe that stimulates deep facial muscles, helping to firm, tone and optimise the absorption of your favourite skincare products. The Urchin also promotes lymphatic drainage and microcirculation, leaving your skin looking and feeling its best, as well as releasing tension from those overly tight facial muscles. Then we have the LED light therapy. The MAYSAMA Urchin features pulsed red LED light, which stimulates collagen production and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. With a 630 nanometer wavelength, it penetrates deep into the dermis, promoting the production of collagen and elastin for healthier looking skin. It also helps to reduce inflammation, pore size and sebum production, all whilst brightening the complexion. Next up is EMS Microcurrent. Now EMS stands for electrical muscle stimulation, and this feature is like a workout for your facial muscles. EMS stimulates deep facial muscles, providing toning and lifting benefits. By targeting the jawline and other areas, it helps to contour the face and smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles. But EMS also enhances microcirculation, lymphatic drainage and cellular metabolism for a more youthful and revitalised appearance. Last but not least, the MAYSAMA Urchin offers a warming feature and vibration massage. The device warms the deeper layers of the skin, promoting relaxation and improving blood circulation. When you combine this with the gentle vibrations, it creates a spa-like experience, leaving you feeling pampered and rejuvenated. Okay, so now let me walk you through how I use the MAYSAMA Urchin for optimal skin rejuvenation. Before getting started with this device, you want to make sure that your face is as clean and as free from oil as possible. The LED function works best when it's paired with water-based or gel-based serums, so choose your products accordingly. For me, I like to use the MAYSAMA Green Rooibos Press Serum, which I let absorb into the skin for around about 10 minutes before I layer some conductive gel over the top. Now, being an electrical stimulation device, you're going to want to use a really good quality conductive gel. You can use any water or glycerin based conductive serum or gel that you like. It could be a hyaluronic acid, it could be an aloe vera gel, whatever works best for you. Now, if you're using the LED light function on the MAYSAMA Urchin for skin rejuvenation, these simple steps should really help you get the most out of every treatment. First things first, ensure your skin is free from any oils or residue and that you've applied your serums and product for glide. Next, we're going to activate the LED light by pushing on the on button, and then we can select the vibration level by pushing the vibration button up the top. You've got 4 choices here. You've got a gentle vibration, a mid-level vibration, a power vibration, and no vibration at all. The device is active when the red LED lights are flashing like this. Now, I applied some of the Green Rooibos Press Serum just before I got on camera, so that's all soaked into my neck and my face. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to apply some slip here in the form of the conductive gel. I'm going to take the device, going to turn it on, and then what I do is I just start at the collarbone, and then I'm just slowly working up the neck, under the chin until you reach the jawbone. And again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to repeat this all the way around the neck. And as this is only LED and vibration, you can go over the center line of the neck, up over the thyroid, over your larynx, and up. Once the neck is done, I move along the jawline towards the ears, covering the entire area. Again, I'm taking a nice slow sweep, heading out and up. A bit more gel just for some glide onto the cheeks. And of course, I'm going to want to be doing the forehead as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start in line with the bottom of my nose, and then I'm just going to glide outwards towards the ear. And then if I've got any areas of concern, then I will stop briefly and just hold it there. And again, so I'm going over it twice. And the way that the pulsed LED light works is that once it passes through the skin cells, it causes the water to behave in a contractive way. So basically what's happening is that with each pulse, the water contracts and expands, and what that does is it draws product in through the skin. So it actually helps you get a little bit more out of your topical skincare. And then the other side. And then we're going from the center of the brows, and we're just moving outwards towards the temples. And I'm going to do it twice this way. And then twice this side. And then starting at this temple here, I'm just going to be moving up towards the hairline. Now when you're doing a treatment, you can repeat each glide or pass multiple times as desired. The same routine can be used for the heat and vibration massage. When doing the heat and vibration massage, you can apply your favourite balms, you can apply your favourite elixirs, serums, moisturisers. But when you're doing a microcurrent EMS treatment, you're going to want to avoid using any oil-based products because oil is not really conductive, so you're not going to get much out of your treatment. Also, when doing an EMS microcurrent treatment, you're going to want to avoid using the urchin across the temple areas, over the thyroid, or getting too close to the under or upper eye. For microcurrent treatment, I typically follow the same routine as the LED pulse light treatment. Now for me, I'm trying to define my jawline a little bit more, so I will use it a couple of extra times over the masseter muscles just to try and build a little bit more definition to my jaw. And then I'll work my way from the lower cheek towards the upper cheek, and then typically I stop once I reach where the cheekbone is, and this is where I'll focus around about 30 seconds for each side because I really want to try and give a little bit more volume and mass to my cheek muscles because it gives more of a youthful look. Now when it comes to treatment scheduling, you can use the sonic cleansing feature daily if you want to, every other day. Now as someone who suffers with rosacea, it's recommended that I use it just a couple of times a week. This is because the increase in the microcirculation to the face can cause your rosacea to kind of just redden up just a little bit more. So go low and slow and build it up until you find what works for you. So after each use, make sure to clean the device properly. So first thing you want to do is if you've used the sonic cleansing head, just detach the brush head and clean it with mild soap and water. Now this silicone brush, it remains sterile due to its non-porous and antimicrobial properties. Now for the probe, you just want to use a damp cloth, a cleaning pad or a cotton pad just to wipe it clean. And you want to avoid using any alkaline solvents or alcohol on the electrode surface. Then all I do is nice and clean now is I pop it into its little holder and it goes away on the shelf waiting for its next use. And that's about it for this video. If you've got any questions about the MAYSAMA Urchin, the products that I use with it, the routines that I follow, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to know where to purchase the MAYSAMA Urchin or any of the MAYSAMA skincare products, you'll find all of the information you need in the description box. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your skin-loving friends. And remember to subscribe for more skincare tips, product reviews, and beauty insights. Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. Stay beautiful, have an amazing day ahead of you, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. So till then, TJ over and out.